We used to raise our voices face to face. Now our two small screens argue in our place, and someone sets the hour my anger keeps, and wakes the fire up whenever it sleeps. Love kept its seat, a stranger took the chair. The endless stream that no one welcomed there. It isn't love that failed and blew away. It's what sat down between us, here to stay. We don't share one truth anymore. Each of us keeps a private war. We argue till it hurts about the view, and lose the one thing looking used to do. We don't share one truth anymore. Or has the truth turned at its core? Between the two of us has something grown, a crowd of voices neither one can own. You call me sleeping, I call you the same. Two certainties, one word, one borrowed name. It isn't you or me who's going blind. It's being sure that seals the seeing mind. I scroll all night to find out what to feel, then hand it to you like it's something real. Whoever pays for this, they've never met. The two of us, and we're the ones in debt. We don't share one truth anymore. Each of us keeps a private war. We argue till it hurts about the view, and lose the one thing looking used to do. We don't share one truth anymore. Or has the truth turned at its core? Between the two of us has something grown, a crowd of voices neither one can own. What if the truth has no need to shout? What if it waits where the feed runs out? And what if it never takes my side? What if the cost of it is my own pride?